Here is how to cook meat correctly. Cut the pork into a large rectangle. Pound the meat with a meat mallet. Season with salt, black pepper. Season the other side with black pepper and salt. Finally, chop a few thin slices of bacon. Put it into the blender cup and grind the bacon. Finally, chop a few cloves of garlic and put them into the hot pan. Add lemon zest and chili flakes. Stir a little and add chopped rosemary. Strain the vegetable oil through a sieve. Put the spices into the blender cup and grind again. Spread the meat with bacon paste. Roll into a tight log. Tie the roll with a few strings. Cut the ends of the strings. Bake the roll for 1 hour. Wrap with aluminum foil and leave for 10 minutes. Pour a little seasoned oil into the pan. Fry a lemon cut in half in the pan. Squeeze the lemon juice into the bowl with vegetable oil. Add chopped parsley. Season with black pepper and salt. Mix well. Fry the roll in the same pan until it browns nicely on all sides. In the baking tray, add parsley, parmesan, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper. Mix all the ingredients. Drizzle with olive oil. Into the pot with potatoes, pour water and boil for 5 minutes. Cut the potatoes in half. Then make cuts in the flesh of the potatoes. Put into the baking tray. Drizzle with olive oil and bake for 15 minutes. It is an excellent recipe for the holiday table. You can serve the meat roll cold or hot, alongside any side dish or favorite sauce.